Hello and welcome to my video. First of all, sorry about the shaky cam, I'm holding it with my hand. This is a little thing I got a long time ago. It's a little refrigerator, right? No, freezer, sorry, it runs off 12 volts. And turned it into a little environmental chamber thing, if you like. And now you may be thinking, no, it's not transparent. That is transparent. The problem is, oh hi, it opened up a capacitor. Now this is sealed, but keep in mind, capacitors are just dreadful and my god do they smell bad. Seriously. And should we open it? I may actually be sick. Okay, I'm going to open this. Wish me luck. I'm going to be wearing a little mask, but I don't think it's going to be good enough because, yeah, right. Here's on now. Going to sound a bit strange. I've also got a cold, so. I might actually. I'm going to be sick, aren't I? Ready? Spaghetti. Woo! Oh, God. That is fucking all. Sorry. Oh. Yeah, this is. I'm glad I don't have a fire alarm in here right now. Oh my god. I'm really sick, I swear. This is my feeble attempt at sealing it. Oh, I'm gonna epoxy all together. Yeah. I'm gonna clean this chamber before you can see it spooks guards. I'm gonna. Oh, it gets worse than this. It's alright. Oh fuck. Yeah, so I'm gonna see how hot that is. Am I gonna burn my hand? Oh yeah, fuck. It's so. Oh, it's a nice warm temperature today, by the way. It is 7 Celsius, the record I've had so far. Oh, thankful. Okay, I can still breathe unless I'm about to pass out or something. Here's a new. I think I've already done about 40 videos, but I never uploaded them. At least not all of them. So, hi. This is the storage of never-ending projects. All the it's getting them anyway. Mostly finished ones, like that there. Which is obviously the cases indoors, but. And of course, all the fun stuff, which is, I apologise. That's probably bad, isn't it? Oh. Yeah, it's my little leakage chester. It's nearly done. It's. I screwed up the wood there. You do not want to see the other side of that if you have OCD. It does work. The only thing I'm waiting for is to wipe these panels of actual wire. And it'll be done. It can measure down into the nanoamp range with ease. But I don't know if I wouldn't push it any more than that, again it's very generic parts, so I just wanted to say Merry Christmas to everyone and the whole 3 people who watch my videos, and to them people I give you the thumbs up. I hope you all have a brilliant year, and I'm saying this in advance by the way, I'm not sure when I upload this video, because of the fact I'm up at like 3 right now, and by the time I go to sleep I'm just going to miss New Year probably, right? Not New Year, bloody